Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you where you can find the lost captain. So if you're trying to complete a quest in Abyss, the lost captain is one of the most important NPCs in Abyss, and I'm going to show you the exact hidden locations. So if you have your mini map, you can just zoom it in. So this is where the lost captain is. So this is me in here. So I'm going to just go straight from here. If you want to check again, you can open your mini map to make sure that you're in the right direction. So guys, you can see it here. So I'm going to just go a little bit to the left like this. Okay, as you guys can see, at a glance you'll spot a broken or a shipwreck. So you can just go down in here, and this is where you can find the lost captain. You need to be careful because there are lots of predator in here. Okay, so this is the lost captain. You can start a quest or finish your quest here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.